Hi guys, welcome to another haul video. This time it is from BPERFECT Cosmetics. Now they were having a £12 sale, and basically I went deep dived into this brand. I've been seeing it all over pretty much everyone on the TikTok social media platform, the picture platform, all platforms. I've been seeing everyone talk about this brand and I really wanted to deep dive into it. I did have some issues with the package, which I will go into as well before getting into this. They did forget 3 items, which they had to resend. They did resend, but I ended up being charged €29, which was more than what I initially paid for the 3 items. I'm still waiting to get a refund. It's been like a week, nearly 2 weeks, and I'm still waiting for the refund. It's kind of putting like a bad taste in my mouth because they made a mistake and I'm still waiting for them to refund me after they said pay it and then we refund. So I did pay it to get the product out, because it was their mistake, but I'm still waiting to be refunded, and the amount of emails I've been sending to this company is insane. So it's giving me a bad taste, but again, I still got this box here which I want to unbox and I want to try and I want to do some videos with, but I will update you as to when they have decided to refund me the money that I had to pay because of their mistake. And yeah, apart from that, we do have a massive box of items in here. I went ham on their sale, and yeah, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up and how much I paid for them because the prices were insane. And yeah, let's head in and see what we've got. Please excuse the no makeup today, because today is the day where I'm going through all my makeup, seeing what I have, preparing it for my kit, and also trying and testing out some products. So hence why I've got no makeup. I'm just going to film this video. This is my last video of the day that I need to get filmed so I can actually edit it and get it scheduled. And I just want to share with you guys what I picked up. So first thing I'm seeing here is something that has pretty much been all over my feed, which is the Katie Daily pressed perfect powder. These are the loose powders, and I did get 2 shades. I got candy floss and vanilla. Katie Daily did actually come to Malta during the beauty fest that we had here with Lucy. It was actually unfortunately during the week that I was giving birth, so I wasn't able to attend, because I would have loved to go to the Katie Daily BPERFECT masterclass that they had on, because I love sitting down and learning from other makeup artists, especially international makeup artists, because I feel that you learn a lot from international makeup artists. Local makeup artists you can learn a lot from. It just depends on their, I would say, how long they've been doing it, really. I would say there's a number that I really look up to, and they're pretty much my age group and a little bit older. But yeah, I would love to go on some master classes abroad, especially in the UK. I feel it's a lot of British, Scottish and Irish makeup artists that I do look up to, especially, and I do have a few Australian ones which I would love to go to their master classes, and there's a few American ones as well. But yes, so we do have the 2 Katie Daily perfect powder. I think these are loose powders. Again, I'm just going to open one just to make sure. Oh, it says in the back, finely milled lightweight loose powder is designed to deliver weightless, breathable skin finish, used to brighten and smooth under the eye, all over to set and blur the skin. So it actually says instant shine control, pore proofing finish, blurs and spruces imperfections and improves skin texture. We hope so. Candy floss is a pink, and we have just a straight up vanilla, which is the lightest shade. They do have other colors, but these tend to be the ones that always are out of stock, and I made sure to get these. And again, these were €14 each. I think that was probably a oh no, it was €12 each. That's a steal for a loose powder. So again, I just wanted to get something that I knew I would like and try. let's see what else I've got. I've got 2 Luxe Powder Blush. I've got, oh, Scorched Luxe Powder Blush, Pink Flame and Melt. You can see the colors here. These are not actually sealed, so I can actually show them to you guys. So we have, this one is Pink Flame. Gorgeous, gorgeous pink. And let's see, the next one is Melt. Again, you guys can see the kind of color range that I like. I like the peaches and I love the pinks. And I love the packaging. And this is a really gorgeous color. I'm trying to see, there you go. That's the color that we got. So I just really want to try these out for myself and see if they're kit worthy for my makeup artistry kit. I like to have a range of things. I did actually get 2. This is the Chroma Cover Medium Coverage Soft Filter Luminous Foundation. They do have a matte one, but I really want to try this for myself. I got 2 colors, W2 and W3, because I'm not sure what color I am. And when you're not sure what color are, you have to try and get 2 and then mix them. So these were, again, I think 14 euros. These were 14 euros. So these ones are actually for my personal stash to see if I like it and if I can actually add this to my kit. They do have a matte version, but I'm not really a matte girly. And I already have the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation for my kit, which is like a matte, a semi-matte radiant. And I'm more likely to try and get like a more of a radiant one. I'm actually got one of NARS that I'm trying out as well, see if I want to add that to my kit. But I want to try this and see if this is something that we can try and add to the kit as well. Concealers, because you can never have enough concealers. These are obviously, I want to try them. I want to see if I can add them to my kit. I got L1, L3 and L4. I got some like neutral undertones, some yellow based undertone. I think there's one that's actually olive based, and I think one's peach. I think this one is the peach one. So they're just pretty much a full coverage, full impact, complete coverage concealer. It says long wearing, crease proof and intense pigment. These are always good to add to my kit. I like to have different concealers. So yes, those ones we have to add them. I've got one for myself to try, and then the other 2 are going to go in my kit. We have, again, these ones are probably, I think those were, again, the concealers were 12 euros, again, inexpensive. We've got the bronzers, which are a lightweight formula that blends effortlessly into the skin. Highly pigment, color enriched and buttery formula. I think this is an actual cream bronzer. So we have Sand and we have Schwarthy. Sand and Schwarthy. I will actually try and do a video on these. Testing them out. I think I'm going to do like a one brand video and like to test them out. This was actually for inexpensive. So this is an actual 9 palette shadow, and this is called Northy Nudes, and this was, believe it or not, 14 cents. So if you spent, I think that was 25 euros, you could choose one of the 4, and I chose the earthy tones. Can you believe this was 14 cents? How is this 14 cents? Like, I have it. Do I have it on here? Like, if you guys don't believe me, let me show you that it was 14 cents. $14. I was not joking, it was 14 cents. Like, amazing. I'm sorry about all the sirens at the moment. There's something going on. There's a lot of people in town and there's loads of sirens going on, and I live just on top of a very, very popular tunnel, so expect lots of sirens. And then lastly, I was between 2 palettes because I really want to try their eyeshadow palettes, and this one is the Harmony Shadow Palette. Again, this was, I'm going to make sure I'm right, 14 euros. The actual packaging is a bit battered, but inside is fine. And this is the Color Theory, the color palette, as you want to say. Gorgeous. I'm going to open this because I'm not sure. Did I open this? No. Let's just open this quickly and just show you what it looks like, because I haven't actually opened this. It's actually quite battered packaging, but that doesn't bother me because obviously I'm not going to keep it in its box freely. So let's just get it out and see what it looks like. Okay. Oh, it's still a bit battered as well, but that's not really an issue. So this is the actual packaging. of the product. Let's just make sure there's no... Oh my god, this is just gorgeous. This is a palette, guys. This is a palette. If you like P. Louise palettes, you're probably gonna like this. So I definitely need to do a look with this. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. And this was 14 euros. Like, what? Oh my god, if I like this and I'm going to add it to my kit, I'm going to have to wait for another 14 euro drop. Because this is beautiful. Oh, and shipping was free. Just putting that out there. Free shipping. Free shipping! You guys, we love a free shipping. And obviously you're not supposed to be taxed or anything when it comes into the Maltese Islands. When they had to ship out the second batch, something went hoof, and for some reason FedEx wanted to charge me 29 euros. But honestly, don't be scared to get anything from the website. If everything is in your actual box, you don't get taxed or anything, because you already paid all the taxes and stuff at checkout. Something went hoof and we just had that issue. But again, that was my BPERFECT haul. What I'm most excited for is trying out this, because I've been seeing everyone talk about this and the matte one. I'm more of a luminous kind of girly, so I really want to try the luminous one. I'm not a fan of the matte one, to be fair, but I might try it once I know what shade I am, maybe, and just get my color shade and see if I like it. Because again, here most of people do like a matte finish, but I'm trying to... My kind of look is more glowy, so I tend to do the glowy kind of look, so we will see about that. Very excited for the blushes and the cream blushes. I'm mainly excited to try these, because these, everyone's been raving about them, and I hope they actually live out to their hype, because sometimes things can be overhyped and you never know if they're going to be good or not unless you try them. So yes, can you believe all of this came to literally, how much did this come to? 158. So I bought all this for 158. We have 2 massive foundations, we have 2 loose powders, we have 2 blushes, 2 cream bronzers, a 9 palette eyeshadow palette, a huge palette, and 3 concealers. Perfect steal. The prices were insane. Do to make sure you're on the BPERFECT Instagram and all the rest, because wow, they always have some deals on, and you kind of have to look into it because you never know what you're gonna find. Hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will definitely be back and do a look using these products, because we need to try a full face of BPERFECT. And comment down below and tell me if you want that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day wherever in the world. If it's nearly Christmas time, Merry Christmas. I hope you have an amazing time with your family, because I have a feeling this is going up around about Christmas time, or before or just slightly after, and a Happy New Year, because we all have to have that joyous feel with your family and friends. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.